Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, problem 6 here is all about what is and isn't happening in interphase. And interphase is sort of the phase of duplication where things are stationary, so to speak, okay? And so it happens in 3 stages. We have our first gap phase, often just called the G1 phase. Then we have the S phase, so that's the S actually stands for synthesis, right? All right, and what is being synthesized? Well, it's the synthesis of DNA. So the whole name of that phase has to do with the fact that DNA is being duplicated there. Okay, and then we have our second gap phase, right? And in the second gap phase, the cell is replenishing its energy from the DNA synthesis, but it also might do some organelle duplication. Okay, so there's organelle duplication here. And you also see in the second gap phase, right, after you've added all this synthesis of DNA and you've duplicated a bunch of organelles, the cell needs maybe a little bit more space. So you get some growth, okay? So the thing that's not happening in interphase is the separation of sister chromatids, and that'll happen much later during your anaphase. So this happens in anaphase, that separation. So the answer here is D.